making vegan double chocolate chip cookies. They are amazing. They're super easy, delicious, and of course chocolatey. I'm obsessed with chocolate. I know a lot of you are. I adapted this recipe from Liv B. Link her recipe below so you can check her out. She's awesome. If you want to make double chocolate chip cookies, just keep watching. The full recipe will be in the description box, but you'll need vegan butter, brown sugar, vanilla extract, almond milk or soy milk, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder, and dairy-free chocolate chips. You will want to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cookies in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes. They may need to go longer, so just keep an eye on them. For watching. It means a lot to me. I'm new to YouTube. All your support would mean the world to me. Please subscribe down below. We'll get more videos like this. Easy, vegan, simple, realistic meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye everyone!